Season the lamb chop with salt and ground black pepper. Let's get started. Heat up the pan and add just a little oil. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. I just add half teaspoon of oil because I'm using a non-stick pan. And the lamb chop itself is very fatty. You can use butter if you like. Fry the lamb chop over medium heat. Just fry the surface until it's a little bit brown. Off the heat and transfer the lamb chop to the oven. I didn't cover the bone part with foil because it is still very raw. The baking time depends on how would you like the lamb chop to be cooked. I like medium well, so I only set 4 minutes. It is nice to serve with some greens, some butter lettuce, and some cucumber. Makes this dish perfect. Lamb chop and mint sauce are perfect match. Don't forget to add some. The lamb chop is tender and juicy. That's medium well. Perfect. My cat also likes lamb chop. It's my pleasure to share this recipe with you guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.